Are you a ARF tool lover and are using ARF tool now? ARF using introducing ARF webmaster tool, which you can verify your own domain and you can analyze your website. You are using backlink checker and other ARF tools, but now ARF introducing a new tool. Once you click on learn more and you are using jump to ARF webmaster tool, improve your website SEO performance and get more traffic from search. This tool help you to increase your website traffic. You need to verify the ownership of your website. Why SIGUP for ARF webmaster tool? So here are 3 basic setups. Scan your website for 100 plus common SEO issue that may be hurting its performance in search engine. 100 plus common issue, that's so good. Free of cost notice warning errors. Get advertising on advice on fixing those issue and keep an eye on your website as you help our time. That's so good. Now your backlink. Browse your website backlink data collecting by the industry favorite third-party backlink crawler. You can analyze your just verified your website with ARF webmaster tool and analyze how much you have backlink, domain rating and something keyword and a geo text, how much you have backlink. Everything explain a dangerous backlink and everything in with this ARF webmaster tool. See keyword that bring your traffic and which keyword giving you a high traffic and how much keyword you are ranking, filling the gap of Google search console. This ARF webmaster tool filling a gap with Google console and Google search console. This ARF webmaster tool help you to rank your website easier. 100 plus issue detected detail, all unknown backlink and top 1000 and extra and everything. I am recommended you just go to ARF webmaster tool and verify your website and get extra SEO reports. And with free, this tool is 100% free. So why this tool is free? Because many website ownership this tool is so many website ownership they cannot why free? Not all websites are created to make money, but quality information deserve to be found, which is why we want to support website owner who cannot justify investing in a professional SEO tool. So that's why ARF introducing free tool, free ARF master. Just click on this and sync up with Google. I am recommended you sync up with Google because our Google console is also with Google with this. So that's why just use this Google and that's automatically Google search console with verified with ARF webmaster tool. I recommended you just write anything here. Just I am writing blog and don't receive product update. If you want to receive product updates, receive new article from the ARF blog, so I don't want anything, so I am not check mark this box. Just continue. Once you continue, here you can see just you need to add your first project. That mean add your website and analyze everything with ARF webmaster tool. Import from GSC Google Search Console. I am recommended you just use your Google Search Console Gmail SAM Gmail account and verified your ownership. So if you using add manually, that's not good. Just use Google Webmaster's Gmail SAM Gmail and verified your ownership with ARF webmaster tool. So here just don't do anything. Just next step just go to next step. Just click on import. If you want to crawl external links, just tick mark it, but I don't want to tick mark. Just click on next button, import, just next button. And now here you can see some your website reports. Starting crawl, the domain rating is 59, drafting domain 3.4k, backlink 52k, organic traffic I think, and organic traffic is I think this show me a daily organic traffic or monthly. Monthly my traffic is too much, that's not good. Organic keyword is 946. I think this is not showing me a exact number organic traffic. I have too much organic verified your. So once you verified your website with Ahrefs Webmaster Tool, just give them 20 to 30 minutes. They will crawl your website. So here you can see they crawling my website. Just give them some time to, they will crawl website and show you everything data, how much keyword rank and where your keyword rank. Just give them some time. Okay, they will show you everything. Here you can see link explorer, page explorer, internal pages, indexability, links redirection, on page, social tags, everything, duplicate content, landing page, everything. Just give them some time. So here I am just stopping my video. So I am back after 7 to 8 minutes. Here you can see URL crawled 154. They are just continue just crawling my data. 155, 156, crawl 157 is okay. Green mean just everything okay, discarded, unknown. Here URL crawled. Here my this Google Webmaster is just crawling. Here my website articles, loading time 586 ms, size 16 KB. That's so good. Okay, my green mean just everything is okay on my article. Just if you want to stop crawl, so don't do this. Just don't stop this. And here all issue on or paragraph page has no incoming internet. Here you need to fix that. So if you fix this red color issue, and then your website rank on Google search console. Just need this, you need to just fix this error, then Google rank your website on top pages. So you need to fix this pages. How I importance all error and normal errors, just which error you want to fix. Just everything is just Ahrefs Webmaster Tool showing me overview. Here just so no data error distribution, health score is 69 because Ahrefs is, I am just 10 minutes ago I am just verified my website with this. So this taking some time processing because Ahrefs Webmaster needs some time to crawl my website. So just give them 1 to 2 or 2. So rank tracker, if you want to rank tracker, you need to pay to paid. So everything is not free of cost. So you can use just Webmaster to Ahrefs Webmaster 2 free of cost. You cannot use everything free, or you cannot analyze third-party domain. You can analyze only O1 verified domain keyword, domain backlink, how much you have, everything. You cannot analyze third party. If you want to analyze third party, you need to pay for this. This is so much expensive tool. I hope this tutorial helpful. Goodbye, we'll meet you in the next video.